Okay, so this is part 2 of the spaghetti squash. So I took the seeds out of both sides and I'm going to put it face down in a baking dish, and I'm going to fill that with just a little bit of water. It's not an exact science. I don't measure it. It's just that you want it to be, I think, like at least touching, you have to have it, I don't know, covering a little bit of the bottom of the squash, but I'm not really sure how much you really need. So it can't hurt. Like, it's not going to hurt if you have too much water in there. Most of it's going to, not most of it, but it will bake off. Now I'm going to put this in an oven. It's a 350-degree oven, and it should take about an hour. So after an hour, I will take it out and I'm going to check it with a fork to see how soft it is inside. So when I do that, I will meet you back here at the next video. See you then.